Hi, my name is Kenneth. I'm the CEO and co-founder of Robotto. Drones are cool and innovative, but they are also dumb. They need a talented pilot to get the job done. At Robotto, we are working hard to make that job easier and to make them more powerful. We work with firefighters across Europe to map out wildfires in real time. We work with the WWF in Thailand and Australia to detect, track, and count animals. We work with the European Space Agency to make sure that critical infrastructure stays secure and to monitor the biomass stockpile. Very simply, we put a processing unit on the drones, and then our bespoke software operates the drones in operation. With our computer vision algorithms, we make the drone understand what it sees, and with our AI, we create actionable data insights to the ground teams. We make dumb drones smart.